You have 0.5 seconds. That is how long a customer will look at your product before deciding if they are going to click into it or keep scrolling. And it is our duty as business owners to make sure that we are drawing that attention in and getting that customer to our business. You may have the best designs out there, but if folks are not clicking on your product, you are not making sales. And so today I'm going to show you how I am making my mockups and now product videos with Kittl, which is the best platform that I've been able to find that allows me to use AI to generate really professional and gorgeous lifestyle images and videos to bolster traffic to my print-on-demand business. Etsy's algorithm and Shopify's SEO all works off of click-through rate and conversion rate. And so getting people to your shop where you can then provide all of the great information about how all of our orders are quality, and you might have different shipping guarantees, and maybe you're offering different amazing brand building items for your customers. All of that is possible once you get that customer to your business. But if you're not getting that customer to your business, you're not going to be able to drive those sales. And it is very, very important to have good images to ensure that people are actually clicking through and can see themselves wearing your product, using your product, and having that fit into their life. So product images are very important for this. Another reason that I encourage you to spend some more time on bringing different creative and different still images to your business is for your social media content as well. We all know that with print on demand, if you have an Etsy store, we're relying on Etsy to push that traffic to you. So that's why it's important to make sure that you are standing out on Etsy so you can secure the click. But if you are wanting to drive traffic from off platform, it's going to be important that you are drawing people in and getting them to click on your products and actually purchase, but they're not going to come and purchase if they've never actually seen what all the good stuff is behind the scenes of getting to your shop. And there are a lot of really great platforms like Printify, Printful, I know Printed Mint, Printonic, all these companies within the print-on-demand space have some items that have really good mockups that you can use just right out the can. But what we end up seeing is that a lot of us are using the same images, and so it's harder to stand out. And so with print on demand, it is a very low barrier to entry. Anybody can open a business, anybody can sell these products. You're not having to put up a bunch of capital to do this. So you need to find ways to stand out. And one great way to do that is to differentiate yourself by having different images for your products. They make them look more professional, more bespoke. It allows you to actually kind of build your brand and do something different than what is out there on the market today. You'd be surprised how much more people are willing to pay for a product when there is this assumption and this feeling that it is a high quality item. And by investing in your images and now videos, which I'm going to talk about, that is a huge way to accomplish that. So let's talk about what I mean by making mockups and making product images for your items. I have been using Kittl for the last couple of years, and I've loved Kittl for a couple of reasons. One, they are so helpful for idea generation. If you've been following on my channel for a while, you know that I love ideas. I love being able to give you those ideas and get the creative juices flowing. And Kittl has so many of those great things, and they're constantly coming out with different templates. So by having this platform with all these different design templates that you're going to be able to utilize for your own print-on-demand business, it is such a powerhouse if you've been kind of on the fence about how do I actually start to design? If you've been worried about being a designer, Kittl takes that fear away because all of the designs are there and you can tweak them, edit them, change them for your business and get some inspiration on what is trending well. They have constantly been rolling out different features and functionalities, and one of the best features that I've seen in the last year or so has been their incorporation of different AI models into their tech stack. And what I mean by this is you can use other AI models like ChatGPT, Nano Banana to generate the photos that we will be using in our mockups, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So you can use Kittl for their actual just like design software where you can create your designs, take some templates, use their inspiration, put them on an artboard and play around with that. If you want more of how to do that, please drop a comment below and I will do a full baked out tutorial on that. And so that's what I've done here. I have just created a blank artboard. I've called this a World Cup candle. I posted a video not that long ago talking about how 2026 is the year of sports. The World Cup is coming up in June, and it is a huge opportunity to make life-changing amounts of money because you can capitalize on this event that only happens every 4 years. So I've decided to do that, and I'm making a candle here that provides a little cheeky play on words and calls out a win for the French team. So what I've done here is I've created this box here that says smells like the perfect match, because we're going to include some matches like lighting matches, a French win, and I've included this French phrase at the top of the candle as well. That is something that if you are French and you root for this team, that is what they say at the games. So it's playing on this. What I love about this concept, this is not an idea concept video, but I'm gonna give it to you anyways. What I love about this is you can change this for all of the different World Cup teams, make it a little bit different, make it customized to all of the different countries participating in that, and have all these different opportunities to sell to, quite frankly, millions of people. So what I've done here is I have created this design, I have exported it, and I have gone over to Printonic and I have slapped that on this gift set. If you're interested in learning more about the gift sets, let me know and we can talk more about that. But what I have here is that same label on this candle set. It has the matches, it has the wick trimmer, and then the 9-ounce 100% soy candle. So I've put that into the platform, and this mock-up is quite good, right? Like, this is looking awesome, but I want more options, and I want options that are specific and are gonna stop people from scrolling. If they searched for soccer candles, everything is gonna look like this on the World Cup candles, and I want it to stand out so that way people that see my mock-up are gonna be like, oh my God, that's different. It jumps off the screen and I'm clicking. So I've downloaded this photo just by downloading that here, and I've gone back over to Kittl and uploaded that into my artboard as artboard 2. So I have a couple of different things that I'm going to do with this. The first one is I am going to click on my artboard and I'm going to use this feature called Add Smartboard. And by adding a smartboard, that essentially gives us the opportunity to start inputting in a prompt that will then spit out a image that we wanted to generate. So what I have done is I've clicked Add Smartboard, and what's great is Kittl actually has different flows on their platform with these prompts already generated. So I was able to utilize that and drop it into here, basically asking for a minimalistic product photography scene, placing my candle on a neutral surface against a soft beige background, having some additional lighting requests in that as well. And that spit out this awesome, modern, moody, but very cute image that I could use right now for so many other applications. And it even has the shadow. It looks awesome. And it has the person lighting the match, and it goes with my theme of smells like a perfect match. So this image is great on its own, but we can take this one step further and actually make it themed for our own theme here, which is soccer football. To do the same thing, I've clicked onto this and I've said add a smartboard, and I've given it an additional prompt here. Now what I've said is very simple, and I've said change the scenery to be more soccer specific and have a soccer pitch in the background. And that is exactly what happened. It baked out this awesome picture that has the shadow in the background and has a soccer stadium in the background. And you can see some other examples of ways to continue to take this a step further and continue to make awesome images. So in this example, I've kept everything the same, but I wanted to make this specific to France and to soccer, because this one was great, but you can't really tell it's for soccer. In fact, it looks kind of football-y in the background, American football-y in the background. So what I've done is said, create an image that could be used as an end frame for a video and has a bunch of soccer balls and French flags in the background. So it's added that information in for me. So once again, I can take this image and I could use it as a listing image. I can add an overlay of ships in 2 to 3 days. I can do free shipping, badge, whatever I want that really makes this pop even further. But there's nothing like this on the platforms that I've seen, so it would really allow me to stand out. Kittl has had these mock-up features rolling out over the last several months as all of the AI image models have gotten much better. But what is brand new and what I am so excited for is their ability to take this information and actually create AI videos. And let me tell you what I'm talking about. So when I click on my smartboard, you can hit this drop down that says add video board. When you add the video board, it's going to give you the option to give it a prompt as well as potentially an in frame, so you can tell a story in your video or you can just give it some idea of where to take your video. You can also change the settings here, so you can have 4 seconds, 6 seconds, and 8 seconds, and you can change the model of how you generate this. So right now they're utilizing the Google Gemini VO 3.1 fast and then the VO 3.1 standard that has a little bit longer production time, but typically is a little bit more high quality and further in depth with more options. So that's what I've done. I wanted to test this first by not putting in an end frame. I just wanted to see like what it would generate if I gave it a prompt. So the prompt that I did is said fans cheer in the background and a hand strikes a match and lights the candle. And then I've added in an audio tag to say fans cheering in the background. Just look how cool this is. So cool. So it even has like a sizzle of lighting the match, and you can hear fans roaring in the background. This would be something that would be awesome for social media content. It could be used as a listing video on Etsy. We know that those help support better click-through rate and better experience on Etsy as well. So just so many options of how to utilize this that would work to help bring more traffic to the business. And the options are really endless. So there are ways that we can take this and continue to double down on all of the fun things, and I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more. So what I did here is I wanna go with that. We're creating like a start frame and an end frame and kind of go through and tell a story with my video. So what I did here is I just wanted to remove the candle. So in this artboard, I just said remove the candle and leave the soccer pitch, because I'm gonna use this as my like starting frame for my video. And then I created just another smartboard that said add in some soccer balls and a French flag. So it is clear that this is a candle celebrating a French win. So that is clear here. They've added in a few soccer balls and this French flag in the background, which is lovely. And so my next step is just to go ahead and compress these as images. Awesome. So what I have here is just that first image and the second image, and I'm going to select them both, and I am going to hit generate video. I want this one to be a little bit longer, and I want to make sure that I start with the empty pitch and I go into the finalized frame. I'm going to make this 6 seconds as opposed to the 4-second one, and I'm going to make sure that my audio is turned on so that way I can actually generate audio. Keep in mind here that in order for you to utilize this feature and this functionality of the video, you will need to have AI tokens. And so the way that Kittl works from a payment perspective is that you pick your plan, and each plan comes with a certain amount of tokens that you can use for your AI generation. So I am on the expert plan, which is about $30 per month, but you can get that down if you do the annual plan. And I do have a promo code for you in case you're interested in testing this out. You can get 25% off your first month if you use code MEGYT. I will drop that here below. They also have a free plan, so utilize the free plan, but just want to be as transparent as possible that if you like this tool, you're going to run out of your AI tokens pretty quickly. So you may need to eventually upgrade if this is a tool that like works for your workflow and you want to utilize it more. But you can totally start for free, but I will drop that code here in case you end up wanting to upgrade if it's your vibe for your business. Okay, so it takes some time. It took about 1.5 minutes to generate, and so keep that in mind. It will take some time to go through all of your inputs and then spit that out, but I'm excited to see what it came up with. So let's watch it. Pretty good. I think that this is such a cool example of how to take the candle, have all these different elements play into this. You could take this, you can change it, and if let's say you wanted to sell hats, or you wanted to sell t-shirts, or you wanted to sell sweatshirts, you could make those changes and those tweaks that give it a different flair based on the types of products that you're offering. I've seen so many people launch products in the candle space that are for smells like a Eagles win and things like that. So it has all of the elements that would make it similar to those huge opportunities. So this is something that you could take and you could download this and you could upload it in as an Etsy listing video, or you could upload it to your socials and put some ad spend behind it, or launch it on TikTok, launch it on other areas that get people viewing your products for a lower cost than it would be to actually go in and shoot video for these different products. And I'll point your attention to some of these example conceptual product flows. Yes, I do a lot of my content based off of print on demand, but if you have a brand or you have a product or you're just wanting to do more creative things for your small business, this tool is phenomenal for that. And they have these examples again of how to get your creative juices flowing if you're not sure how to conceptualize things. So in this example, we have the ability to make something that looks like this. They're taking a design and putting it on a jar with a logo. They're creating these fun product shoot images that put it into real life scenarios of what the jam would look like at a picnic. They also have these cool, just like fun, very on trend, bright visuals, and bring in real people that do not look like AI to utilize this for product images for real brands. And they're taking that a step further. The video piece is brand new, and you can create fun, exciting things like this. Something so simple and so easy, but just has these cool elements that you were not going to be able to do before AI came into the picture and before Kittl perfectly adapted it for the use case that I needed for my business. And what I love about them is they have all of these different templates and examples that you can copy and paste from, but tweak it and change it to whatever works for your brand. So I can take the template here and I can add that into my artboard. I can add some different changes to the audio, to the sound effects, whatever it is, to make it my own based off of what I'm envisioning. But I don't love starting from absolute scratch, and so I'm very thankful that these exist. I am using the mockup generation for my own product photos, for ad creative, for just social media content. Short form is a huge opportunity in 2026. Short form video, by that I mean. And so this is becoming a pillar of how to stand out across other businesses, especially with print on demand, given that it is a crowded market, but there are still opportunities to make your own little corner and your own niche. And this should just give you more tools. So check them out. I will drop that promo code in the description below. Once again, it is 25% off your first month with code MEGYT. And I would love to hear your thoughts of how you are utilizing this. What are your favorite types of design styles or video styles that you're generating? And I will catch you on the next one.